or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some fun holiday recipes along with my favorite Christmas simmer pot that makes your home smell so good for the holiday season. I will link all the recipes that I use in today's video in the description box down below. These are perfect for the upcoming holiday season, and I had so much fun filming this video for you. As we go through these yummy recipes, I'm also going to be giving you an update on how our Caraway cookware has held up in the last year and a half since we have gotten it. Now, as you can see in the background, we have the 4-piece cookware set in the color cream. I absolutely love the color, and we use this cookware here in our home every single day. So it has definitely been put to the test over the last year and a half. So I can't wait to share with you a little update on how this cookware is holding up here in our home. If you have never heard of Caraway, they're actually having a once a year sale happening right now. So I will have a link in the description box down below for you guys to shop. Their bakeware and cookware are non-stick and 100% non-toxic ceramic kitchenware. Now this is the perfect gift for the holiday season. They not only have cookware, they also have bakeware, food storage sets, and tea kettles. So there is something for everyone on your list this holiday season. I want to thank you guys so much for being here for today's video. If you are not already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me over on Instagram. The link is always in the description box down below. A huge thank you to Caraway for sponsoring today's video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So jumping in, I'm going to go over in depth, up close and personal of our 4-piece cookware set in the color cream. First up is the 6.5 quart Dutch oven. This is perfect for pastas, roast, stews, and anything that you're going to boil. We personally use it a lot for pastas, and it's my husband's favorite pot to cook our chili in. Next up is the 3-quart saucepan. This is great for risottos, mac and cheese, soups, and sauces. I absolutely love the color of these. It totally stole my neutral girl's heart. They have held up really well. I was a little bit hesitant because I heard these were harder to take care of, but as you can see, they have held up really well for the year and a half we've had them. This is the 4.5 quart saute pan. It's your go-to for dinner parties, stir fries, and dishes with stock. We personally love to use it in the mornings for pancakes when we have my niece and nephew. Next up is the 10.5 inch fry pan, which is the #1 used pan in this whole entire collection. We use it every single day. I use it every morning for eggs, and it is my absolute favorite. Now this cookware set does come with lids as well, and you will see there is only 3 of them, but this lid in particular can be used on 2 of the cookware pieces, which I love. There is also a lid organizer for these, which makes my organizing heart very happy as well. Makes it nice and convenient. As I said before, our cookware itself held up really well over the last year and a half, and the lids are no different. They have also held up really well. And as you can see here, I'm showing you how you store the lids in the organizer that they give you for your cabinet door. Now moving on to our simmer pot, we're going to take some cranberries, some rosemary, an orange, nutmeg, some whole cloves, and cinnamon sticks. Simmer pots are one of my favorite things to do to get your house smelling like the holidays. This is my first one of this season, and it made me so happy. So first I'm just going to chop up the orange into little slices, and then we are going to take our 3-quart saucepan from Caraway and get to putting in all of these ingredients for our simmer pot. When using Caraway cookware, you want to make sure to use a low or medium heat. Ceramic can hold heat more efficiently than traditional pans, so just remember a low to medium heat only. Overheating can wear away the non-stick coating. So we're just putting all of the ingredients into our water, and I'm just putting this on medium heat to begin with until we get it simmering just a little bit, and then I'm going to turn it down to low to let that simmer and make our home smell so yummy. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I will leave the exact recipe that I used for this simmer pot and the other recipes that I do in today's video in the description box down below. You'll have to let me know what your favorite simmer pot recipe is in the comments down below if you have done one before. And this is what it looks like once everything is in. So dreamy. I absolutely loved this simmer pot and how it smelled. Next up, we are taking our 6.5 quart Dutch oven and we are going to be making some Rice Krispie treats. So first, taking 3 tablespoons of butter and some marshmallows. We are going to mix those together and get that melted. Caraway cookware is naturally non-stick. They are super slick non-stick pans that require less oil or butter for cooking and minimal scrubbing for a spotless clean, which you know I love. The easier it is to clean up after dinner or any meal definitely makes me happy. When using Caraway cookware, you want to ditch the sprays, so avoid using oil sprays or cooking aerosols for greasing pans to preserve the naturally slick coating. Once the butter and marshmallows have fully melted together, we're adding in our Rice Krispies. Get that all mixed together, and then we're going to pour that out onto parchment paper on a cooking sheet. And once we have that all spread out, we're going to take some red and green sprinkles and some Christmas M&Ms, and we're going to push that in there to create some really festive Christmas Rice Krispie treats. Now, I'm not taking any rhyme or reason here. I'm just kind of going crazy with the sprinkles, and then I'm taking my M&Ms. I found these at Walmart. It had been hard for me to find any Christmas candy the last few weeks because I feel like stores were still getting rid of Halloween stuff, but I'm so excited. They finally had some Christmas candy, so I had to make these, and I loved the way that they turned out. My husband loved them as well, so in my book, that is approved as something that tastes really yummy because my husband is pretty picky. These are really easy and a festive treat to make for any holiday parties, if you're hosting or going to one, or if you even want to bring a sweet treat to work. For the 4-piece cookware set that we have from Caraway, there is 12 different colorways to pick from, which is so important to me. No matter if you like your neutrals or you like a pop of color, they have something for everyone. There's so many beautiful colors to pick from. Now we are taking our 10.5-inch fry pan and we're going to make some Stovetop candied pecans. I've never made these before, and let me tell you guys, they were not only so easy to make, but they are so yummy. All you're going to need is some brown sugar, salt, ground cinnamon, some water, and some vanilla extract. Once you get all of that mixed together, you're going to take a silicone spoon and make sure everything is combined really well. Once you see that the mixture is bubbling, it is time to add in our 2 cups of pecans and mix all of that thoroughly together. With all the cookware being naturally non-stick, it makes making some yummy treats like this a breeze. Once we have all of that combined, we're going to put some parchment paper on a cooking tray and pour all of that on there, and then using that same silicone spoon, even all of that out. And once it has dried completely, you can break these apart. But oh my goodness, you guys, so good. After making our yummy recipes, we're going to make sure to let the cookware cool down. This is really important because we don't want our beautiful cookware to crack. Cleaning this cookware is such a breeze. All I do is take some soapy water and a sponge, and it gets all of the grime that has built up on there. Very easy to clean. I have never had an issue getting anything off of our cookware, but if you do struggle with this, you can simmer some soapy water over low heat and gently scrape away with a sponge or non-abrasive scrubber. You can rinse and repeat if needed, and you should be good to go. So that is going to complete this video. To finish it off, I'm just showing you how the organizers for the pots and pans work. Like I said, Caraway is having a once-a-year sales event, so if you've been eyeing Caraway for a while now, it is the best time to see what all of the hype is about. I will leave all of the links to shop in the description box down below. Thank you so much for being here for today's video, and thank you to Caraway for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!